show you the second method of installing an AP23 pollen patty. First and foremost, we've got our veil on, our smoker. We're going to come up and smoke these bees. As you can tell, this is a double deep colony, and they're a little bit more active than the last bunch of bees we were in. I don't have a feeder on this one, but I'm going to take my brick off the top. I'm going to take my hive tool and I'm going to go ahead and pry off my top cover, and I'm going to pry off my inner cover.
Just wanting you to know that AP23 probably is the product on the market that has the highest protein content. It has a crude protein analysis of around 47%. There's not a lot of added fillers in this product like you may see in other products. The products that are in AP23, each individual product comes from a single source. So we are able to tell what that product comes from, and we're able to see how that product helps the honeybee and how it promotes the colony health.
But we're going to go ahead and smoke the top of these bees one more time, and this is another way of applying your pollen patty. Actually, there's three ways, and we're going to do the 2 and 3 right here. The second way would have been on your inner cover. You typically have a deep side and a shallow side, and you could take and put the pollen patty on the top of the brood box and place the inner cover down with the deep side facing down, and that would give you space to put that pollen patty. Or if you really need them to take the pollen patty, you can take and open up the brood chamber like we're doing here. We're dividing the brood chamber, and I'm simply just going to lay this back, see what the bees are doing in here, and I'm going to take my AP23 pollen patty, which I have on the ground right here beside me. Always be prepared and ready, and we're literally going to place that right in the middle of the brood's nest. The bees will have to go past this in order to do anything, so we're going to put it right there where they have to eat it. And then you simply close it right back down, and it'll smush a little bit, and the bees will clean all that up. It's no big deal. And then we close our hive up. We're done. And that is the second